National News mu patokchari. UGC-Net gi Sociology gi question paper leak Oikhre. NEET gi wathok loidringai National Testing Agency na lauba University Grants Commission National Eligibility Test ki Sociology question paper leak oiramni haina exam asi thakiba mahiroi kayana claim tawkibaga loinana thodogasi ki matanga mari leinaba agency singna NTA gi official singi mathakta thizinaba demand tawkri. Chahi amada anirak pangthokpa UGC-Net asi India gi University amasung college singda Junior Research Fellowship Assistant Professorship amasung Doctor of Philosophy program singi eligibility changeng oina pangthokpani. Mahiroi singna fongdor kibada sociology gi exam pangthokchingai NTA na khutna iduna semba question sing yauba page chama pamba document amagi PDF chaithoraki. Hairiba PDF asi yauriba question amadi answer option sing asi sociology gi question paper da yaurakiba question amadi answer option singa chada maudra romanai haiki. Wathogasi Aam Aadmi Party ki student wing weriba Association of Students for Alternative Politics ki Haryana gi President Deepak Dhankar na Instagram amasung YouTube ta exam numit noma watlingai da question paper leak oikhi haina phongdorakraba matungda chauthoraki bani. Video aduda Deepak Dhankar na lainga ki recruitment amadi entrance exam singi question paper sing mangjongna phangba ngamba miyoi singni haiba masak khangdaba miyoi kharana numit kharani gi mamangda engonda pau foroktuna UGC-Net yauna exam kaya gi leak oiraba question paper sing lupa lakh ani ga lising kun manga da yonana ba hotna rakhi haina su phongdoki.